Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add video inside text using Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to use. Drag your video to the timeline. Select the Type tool, T from the toolbar. Click anywhere in the program monitor and type your desired text. Adjust the font, size, and positioning in the Essential Graphics panel. Go to the Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. Drag the effect onto your video layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the matte to the text layer. Ensure the text layer is above the video in the timeline. Adjust the text size and positioning if necessary. And that's it! You have successfully added a video inside text in Adobe Premiere Pro. This effect is great for title sequences, intros, and dynamic text designs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!